Hi, am I on? Welcome to Phoenix hashtag Rising from the Ashes. Thank you for clicking on my video. We're doing a introduction like on the road today because this video is all horses. Just the only thing that I can do to sort of like clear my mind these days is to come where we are right now and look for horses. And we've actually been pretty lucky recently and have found a lot of them. And this is just some of that. Okay, I gotta warn you though, like it's horsey my graphic, all right? Because the horses are like, I think I captured one peeing, not on purpose, but you know,
and pooping.
When you gotta go, right? And then there's these other two that are like, well, they're
very fond for each other.
They're fond of each other. Well, you know, I don't know how fond the chick was, honestly, because she looked a little bit perturbed about it. Perturbed, yeah. Or whatever that word is. I don't know how to say that word.
Perturbed.
Anyway, so enjoy horsey, and I'll see you at the end. It's horsey, my boy. I thought for a second they were gonna come down here, but they're not. They just stopped and said, "Oh, look, people," and went back to eating. But there's a lot of them out here today. Yep. Okay, there we go. So they're all looking at us right now because we just drove up here, and they're all just like, "Hello, human. Do you have food for us? You're not putting anything out the window. I don't think you have food for us. We are not interested in you." Let's see. Hey guys. There's a lot of horses here today.
What is this crazy girl doing, Wilbur? I don't know, Ed.
I don't even know if you can see them, but there's a whole bunch of them all out there. Hey guys, you know that one in the middle there, dude?
Which one?
The one that's like he's got his eyes closed. I think he's like, oh yeah, he's like Crazy Eye. Either that or his eyes are just closed. Can't tell. Oh no, he's got normal eyes.
How can you tell?
They don't look like Crazy Eye.
Yeah, but he looks like he's standing up asleep.
Yeah. Yeah, they all, yeah, he definitely does.
Yo, gray horse! Yeah, you! Look at me! Yo, Pancho Villa, look at me! Yes, you, look at me now! Hello? Hello? Oh, you're going back to sleep. Okay.
It's not having any of your bullshit. It's like, whatever. Okay, there we go. Oh. So I've gotten out of the car. And now they look a little more alert. Huh, guys? And there's a little one. Right? There. Sleeping. He said, I'm trying to be respectful and not walk up to them because I'm not really supposed to. Man, I want to real bad. Just gonna walk over here. Hi, guys. Oh, you're so lovely. Crossing the road. Yeah. You Poor guys, you're probably hot out here. It's so hot out here. There's no shade for you. Hi. Yes, I want to feed them really badly. No, you're not supposed to feed them. So I'm not going to. Can't get them in the background of the shot. Oh, that's right, you can't do that. Okay. Alright, I can't see anything in the viewfinder. What you guys doing? Anyone know horse talk? What does that mean? Oh, are you a lady and that gentleman's showing interest in you? Huh? Is he not having it? Yeah, I understand. What are these guys doing over here? Okay, I guess I gotta go. Okay, I gotta go, horsey. Are you gonna come talk to me? Do you want to be on the camera? No, it's okay. I will totally talk to you if you come over here, but I'm not gonna go over to you because I don't want to upset you. Hi, lovely lady. Can you hold my hand out? Say hi? No? It's okay. Oh. Yeah. You still got that dude on your back, huh? Whoops. Yeah. Okay, sir. Goodbye. Bye-bye. All right. Don't let him give you no bullshit. Oop. The baby's awake. Shut up, baby. That's a bye-bye. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Sorry, audience. I go goo-goo over baby things, apparently. Even baby horses. Oh, is he gonna get up? Oh, he's new. Don't you think? That looks really young.
It might be.
Looks really young. I'm gonna move, okay?
Good.
Alright, here we go.
Witch of Omaha's Wild King.
Does anyone know what that is anymore? Is that still a thing?
I don't know. I just remember that from my childhood.
There are a lot of horses. We're like a convention, guys. We're having a meeting. What's going on?
It's on.
It's on! Hey, horsey, my boy.
Get in my bean casserole. Bean casserole, piggy.
Was that from King of the Hill?
Mm-hmm.
I do wish you'd film. It's very difficult, you know.
Hi, Mo. That's Mo, the girl.
How do you know that's Mo? Hi, Mo. How do you know that's Mo?
Mo's haircut. There's another fawn.
Take a picture of them.
Oh, yeah.
So many baby horses. Does anyone know, do horses breed like cats in a season, or
Yes.
they all at once, all at once they have their babies? Because there's so many baby horses right now. I thought that guy might come over, but I don't think he's going to. Hi, baby. Aw. Yes, you love me. Checking out the car? Yeah. Don't worry. I won't hit you with it. I'm gonna put that one in. Hi.
You catch it then, because my hand.
And once I put the camera back on, the baby went away. The baby's like, okay, I'm done now. Bye, horsies. It's belt on, so it doesn't yell at me. Alright, that's our horsey my boy for today. I think. Maybe. There might be more. I don't know. You never know with these horses.
That's it for now. Bye.
Okay, recording. Okay. Hi, gorgeous horsey. Oh, there we go. Now I can see. Hey, guys. You want to film?
The girl who touched horses, and the horses touched back.
I'm just gonna walk near them. Oh my God, there's like 5 of them. They're all even. They're like, let's get out of here. These humans.
Speak up for yourself.
They don't want to have anything to do. They're like, maybe if we turn our back and stop looking at them, they'll go away. That guy's eating that tree over there. You don't want to film? Sorry, filming the trees. I wonder why there's so many, like, out now. No.
There's one there, one there, one there, one there, one there.
Is there 5 over there or 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go up to them and bend down, I'll film it.
What? Expose you for
She loves horses.
the weirdo that you are?
Really?
Weirdo.
What weirdo?
You a weirdo.
Oh, you know you like
Oh, I keep filming the tree.
her.
Think they're getting ready to head out?
Mm. Just stay here.
Okay. Oh, horsey might pee. It's a very graphic horse show. Hi guys. I'm just taking your picture because you're lovely.
So
Wait,
you the horsies come on and say, "Now Joey, keep on taking your repertoire."
The horses want me to feel better too. They're all lined up. Just like queuing up to go up the hill. Are you guys headed up the hill? I saw your poop marker. Is that why you poop in the same place on the street? Is it? That's my theory. They poop like in the same spot. Like, you know, multiple days they poop in the same spot. And I'm like, maybe they do it to mark where they're going. I know nothing about horses, seriously. I'm gonna go up that way, I'm gonna go back this way. Well, that's good. Hey, could you take a still photo? You can do it the same way. I think that would be a good photo. Here we go.
As you follow the herd going towards Miraloma, this is another Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. Look at those horses.
I don't think you can have Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom in like a residential neighborhood. It's just like, it doesn't go that way.
I think you can.
Oh. You know what? I wasn't going to go this way, but I think I am, because I can go super slow along here. And I can get one more shot of them. Okay, fellas. Bye. Do you want to come say hi? You say hi. They're like, no. You messed up our poop. We were supposed to do it up there, and you made us do it here. Ah. Here. You can stop them. Is it this close necessary, or this seems, that seems,
Don't get people's houses.
it seems excessive. I don't know. Okay, can I talk now? All right. Thank you for watching. This video is all horses. The next video it was a little more on the serious side, and after that, honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm going through a moment in time, I guess, of being rather self-conscious about what I'm doing. And like I literally can't do this if I'm going to be self-conscious about it. So I have to figure out how to sort of get around that and continue. So I'm not saying I'm not continuing. I am certainly continuing, but I'm just saying I'm just having a hard time. So horsey is what I do for fun. This is our next challenge right here. This gate here says, please keep closed, no dumping. Okay, but it doesn't say anything about unauthorized vehicles. So like our way of thinking is that you can drive up there as long as you close the gate. So
Both ways.
Right. Just get in and close it behind you, because look, there's no there's literally no locks on there. Whoa, don't fall, baby. There's no locks on there. Just chain. And they hang out back there. I mean, I don't know if you can zoom in, but they're back there. So I don't know. We'll see. It's a challenge for me, because like I don't do things like that. I don't go where you're not supposed to go. I'm very prudish that way, right, dear?
You're not prudish per se, but overly cautious, yes.
Yes, overly cautious for sure.
I gotta get in, please.
Okay. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.